everyone, this is Teacher Seppi, one of those content creators helping aspiring teachers and civil servants prepare for their LET and civil service exams. Having almost 2 million followers, since 2014 I have been helping them providing these aspiring teachers and civil servants review materials. At isa sa pinakamalaking problema that I have encountered during my LET preparation was the availability of materials, review materials. That time, hindi pa famous yung mga content creators or review materials provider online. So, ang the best way for us to have our review materials ay pumunta sa mga bookstores at maghanap ng mga reviewers. Ngayon, ang dami ng nagpo-provide ng reviewers online. But the thing is, ang problema is, maraming maling sagot. At isa sa mga dyan is, pag maraming available na review materials, ang isang problema din is, kalat-kalat ang pagre-review. Hindi sila designed para sa LET exams. Of course, maraming questions, may mga answer kits and stuff, but the thing is, hindi siya structured para sa pagre-review. At ang isa pang problema during the LET preparation is yung anxiety, uncertainty and stuff. Tapos pagdating mo sa actual LET exams, hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin. Kasi nga, nag-review ka nga pero hindi mo alam kung alin doon ang lalabas. Whereas kung mayroon kayong review materials na reliable and aligned and structured para sa LET exam, mas madali lang siya at hindi kayo mahirapan pagdating sa LET exam. And because of that, I have created this INCV LET reviewers. These books are designed using the exam format approach to help you become familiar with the type of questions being used during the LET. This book contains questions that will help you prepare confidently and effectively. As an added bonus, we offer free scheduled LET sessions. Just message the Facebook page and TikTok account of NCV Reviewers, this one. And now, I'm so excited to share you guys that these books are now available in all national bookstores nationwide and Pandayan Bookshop nationwide din. Soon, it will be available in 7-Eleven and book sale stores. So if you are preparing for LET, I invite you to grab a copy today and start reviewing with confidence. I'm Teacher Seppi and I look forward to being part of your journey of becoming licensed professional teachers. Good luck, future LPTs, and see you at the top.